Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Art of Decoupage channel, where we bring you the most inspiring seasonal home decor ideas. I'm Luna, and today we're diving into a fun, creative project that'll add charm and cheer to your Easter celebrations, decorating eggs the English way. From cottagecore influences to delightful springtime patterns, this is a craft that blends tradition with modern flair. Before we jump into the egg decorating fun, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below sharing your favorite Easter tradition. I can't wait to read your thoughts. Cottagecore is a rustic and romantic aesthetic that celebrates simple, countryside living. When it comes to Easter decorating, this style brings a fresh, wholesome vibe to your eggs. Think floral patterns, soft pastel shades, and delicate lace details. It's all about creating a cozy, homey atmosphere that transports you to a quaint English countryside cottage. For this section, we'll be using light pastel paints, soft pinks, sage greens, and pale yellows to bring that cottagecore magic to life. You can also incorporate little dried flowers or herbs, such as lavender, rosemary, or chamomile, to embellish the eggs, making them look like nature's little treasures. An English country garden theme is another classic way to decorate eggs for Easter. Think about those rich, lush garden settings you see on English estates, with roses, daffodils, and forget-me-nots blooming all around. These flowers bring life and color to the season, and they're perfect for decorating your eggs. Start by painting a soft cream base on your eggs, and once dry, use fine-tipped brushes to add delicate floral designs. You can go for realistic flower depictions, or if you prefer something a bit more whimsical, try abstract floral patterns in vibrant colors like lavender, rose, and sun yellow. Now, let's talk about classic English folk art, a timeless style that's full of charm. Folk art often uses bold colors, geometric shapes, and traditional motifs like birds, flowers, and animals. This playful and vibrant style is perfect for creating Easter eggs that stand out in your spring decor. For a folk-inspired look, paint your eggs with bold, contrasting colors. Reds, blues, and yellows are great choices. Incorporate simple shapes like circles, hearts, and stars, and don't shy away from adding little hand-drawn animals, such as bunnies or chickens, to make each egg feel unique and full of personality. Decoupage is a technique where you decorate objects by gluing cutout paper designs onto them, and it's perfect for adding intricate patterns to your Easter eggs. The beauty of decoupage is that you can use vintage paper, fabric, or even old book pages to create an eclectic, artistic feel. To start, choose a beautiful vintage design, like floral prints or classic toile patterns, and cut it into small pieces. Then, carefully glue the pieces onto your egg, layering them as needed. Finish off with a light coating of decoupage glue to seal the design and give your eggs a polished look. If you're looking for a more natural approach to decorating eggs, consider using elements straight from the garden. English-style decorations often incorporate nature, so we'll be adding some natural textures and designs to our eggs. One idea is to use twine or jute to wrap around the eggs, giving them a rustic, organic feel. Another approach is to press leaves or small flowers against the eggs to create beautiful imprints. Simply place the leaves gently on the egg, wrap the egg in cheesecloth, and dip it into a natural dye made from onion skins or beetroot juice. The result will be a lovely, nature-infused design that's perfect for your spring display. A subtle yet stunning way to decorate eggs is with an ombre effect. This technique gives a smooth, gradient transition of color from light to dark. It's elegant, sophisticated, and perfectly in line with the pastel tones of Easter. The ombre look is particularly fitting for a soft, romantic Easter setting. To achieve this effect, start by dipping the bottom of the egg in a darker color, then gradually dip it further up the egg in lighter shades, blending them together as you go. You can use a sponge or soft brush to help create a seamless transition. This effect works wonderfully with shades of pink, blue, and lavender. Traditional dyeing techniques are a lovely way to celebrate Easter in a truly English fashion. One of the oldest methods for decorating eggs is using natural dyes, which give the eggs a deep, earthy hue. For this project, you can use materials like onion skins for a golden color or cabbage leaves for a cool blue shade. To dye your eggs, start by boiling your natural dye ingredients in water, strain the mixture, and let it cool. Then, gently submerge your eggs in the dye for several minutes until you achieve the desired color. The result will be beautifully muted, natural tones that add a touch of rustic charm to your decor. No Easter egg collection would be complete without a few adorable bunny and chick designs. These friendly creatures are staples of springtime, and incorporating them into your egg decor adds a whimsical, playful touch. These designs can range from simple silhouettes to more detailed, hand-painted portraits. To create your bunny or chick eggs, start by painting your egg in a pastel base color, then carefully paint or draw on the face, ears, and other features. You can even add little accessories, like tiny bows or hats, for an extra dash of charm. These eggs will be the highlight of any Easter basket or table setting. For a more luxurious Easter look, gold accents are a perfect choice. In English decor, gold has long been a symbol of wealth and festivity, and using it to decorate your eggs will give them an elegant, sophisticated finish. Whether you use gold leaf, gold paint, or gilded stickers, these touches will elevate your egg designs instantly. To add gold accents, you can paint thin gold lines around the egg, use gold leaf for a shimmering effect, or even paint a gold pattern over a pastel base. The golden details will catch the light beautifully, creating a stunning effect that's both festive and refined. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored how to decorate Easter eggs the English way, from cottagecore charm to elegant gold accents. I hope you feel inspired to create your own stunning Easter eggs this season. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite design idea or technique. I'd love to hear how you plan to decorate your eggs this Easter. Until next time, happy crafting and have a lovely Easter.